guys? I hope everyone is feeling fantastic. I sort of kind of have a wig review, but a not really wig review. So basically with this wig, I went and got my wig professionally done. I forgot to show the wig straight out of the box. I forgot to show it in its natural state because it was like a wavy form. But if you click the link below, I swear the picture looks exactly like how it came. It was phenomenal. It was great. It was nice and wavy. I like the texture. And I'll give you the wig details. The wig came from Hair VIVI, and the name of it is the Ciara Celebrity Full Lace wig natural wave. Is Brazilian, and I think I got it in 18 inches. I either got it in 18 or 20 inches, and it is a full lace cap. It didn't come with any combs or anything, but it did come with an elastic band. I have a pixie cut. I don't have much hair, so I don't really need the combs, but if you want them, I think you may or may not be able to include them or ask for them, or you can just sew them in. It's really easy to sew clips in. I got my hair done by a young lady named Taji, and I think her Instagram name is Love Taji, and she also does celebrity hair. But I was nervous, like, dang, I bought this wig offline, she gonna be judging me. I didn't like try to make baby hairs. I didn't try to do everything myself. I tried to pre-pluck it, and I wonder if the quality is even really that great, whatever. And to my surprise, she thought that the wig was bomb, and even the knots. I was like, well, what if she thinks that these knots are over bleached? But she said that she thought that the knots like kind of match my skin tone, so it like this part I think looks decent. Like, it all looks very, very decent. So I don't know, I know some people are having problems and saying that their knots are over bleached. Some of the hair was kind of, just a little bit of the hair was bleached as well. What I did was I took one of these, and I took like the Dark and Lovely natural black hair color, and I just dipped it in here and lightly like recovered those light strands with the darker hair color, and it looked a lot better. But by the time I took it to her to go get it done, she thought the wig was bomb. And I think that for her, who does celebrity hair, who's been doing like these frontals, have had much experience with a bunch of different hair, for her to say that it's a good quality, that she liked it, like, I think Hair VIVI gotta be doing something right. It's never been to a point where I just felt like, oh my gosh, I feel like I've had some wigs where I was like, this wig whack. But no, like, I haven't had a bad experience. I think the hair quality is really good. And one thing that I also love about this wig this time is that this is the first time that I got a 130 density, and I think that made a tremendous difference also, especially speaking about plucking the hairline and making the hairline look good, because it kind of looked a little bit more thinner around the hairline, because the density wasn't as much. I think was so helpful for me. I will link all the information about this wig down below. I'm so sorry again for not being able to do like a preview of the wig before I got it installed in my head. I completely was absent-minded about that. I am so sorry. I really want to show it fresh out the box. If you have any more questions, let me know. If you got something to say, but down below, leave it down below. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna sit here and watch this snow, get a little work done. You know how it go. All right, y'all, I'll holler at you guys later. Bye.